Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You should start by preparing only what's necessary and then commit. Install Git and create a GitHub account with 2FA. Configure your name and email so your commits are traceable. Generate an SSH key and add it to GitHub to avoid repeated credential prompts. Once done, fork a target repo or create a new repository, add a clear README, then stage and make your first commit to establish a clean baseline for work and collaboration. You now move into structured development. Create a feature branch named with a clear prefix, for example feature /your task, and avoid committing to main. Make small, frequent commits with descriptive messages to make review easier. Push your branch to GitHub and open a pull request describing what changed and why. Assign reviewers and link issue numbers when relevant. Make sure to address comments, rebase or merge as instructed, and keep your branch up to date with main. You finish by merging and polishing. After approvals, merge using the repos preferred strategy and squash commits if the project requests a linear history. Update documentation, tag releases for milestones, and delete stale branches to keep the repo tidy. If continuous integration fails, don't panic. View the CI logs to identify failing tests, run the same tests locally to reproduce the error, fix the root cause, and push a new commit. Make sure to notify reviewers once green.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.